Morning. So me I'll be there. I know Shayla will come back. I know Shayla will come back. I know. On the right side. I believe the daughter alright. And first she sleep out. First she sleep out at night.
So because social media hot thing, man. No good now going on social media. What's up? What is that? Social media not for me, you know. So I to follow it up, you know. A girl that must wake up now, man. I don't want to feel like see how you come in an easy life, like you think see something going on. I know, so like I said, we gonna make it no hard life. Money come with that price. So I go down there, she better wake up. Chocolate tea, a bad man. We catch you right this time. We catch you right.
Try the phone, yeah, they put the phone again. Somebody put the phone. God, you show me put the phone. I found this. If another panel could just say up on the next one. Yeah, which one is? Oh, this is my old phone, the one that I make no call. Next one must have somewhere boy also. Yes, I this card. Bed. Alright. Call my daughter, I know. Wait. Oh, call her, I can't see. Oh, no, but call her. No make no sense. Maybe just wait till she come. This don't make no sense. I don't want to be her father. I'm thinking about me. I am. Oh, daughter. Okay, alright.
Shayna! Shayna! Shayna!
Oi! Oi! Who that? Little girl. I little girl like that.
Yeah.
Come here, little girl. Please, I beg you. Come here. You rich?
Yeah.
Alright, little girl. I want phone somewhere by place. You see the phone of little girl?
Mm-hmm.
Why you dial 5 Shayna number and dial it for me here?
But me don't know a password.
Wait. A finger scan. Come we never lock you. Alright, see up me now. So what you know though? Just look for your number and call her for me here. I beg you please. Tell me to call the number.
A data Shayna?
Yes, I'm a daughter Shayna did there.
Okay, me I go call it.
Call it for me. Put it on speaker for me too, hear?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Well, God send a little girl. God send a sorry me the road and know what time yard. Give me.
The voicemail box of
Where Shayna there?
1-877-665-905.
Shayna, let's say she a got work. I'm gonna know Shayna. Wait. Call. Alright, look again. You want you look again. Somebody there follow. I hear man, you call the number there for me. I hear?
Yeah.
Call the number there for me. Tell me when you see it. Just go down and see if we I should be can't see bird them. Me eye blind. You know what's me eye blind? Them are me blind bat. I just worry about my daughter, you know.
Miss Papa and number there.
Just look up and see it. Remember that I can't see now. I can't show you at all. You see it? Oh God.
F.
Yes, F. Yes, FALLA. Something down there so. You find it? Jesus Christ. Am I blind or are you?
Are you?
No, so I don't look like. You
Oh,
don't
me
find
find
it?
it.
Oh, you find it, alright. Yeah, I see.
Me I go call her.
Right, they can speak already?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello.
Is it just father?
Mom.
Hey, father, what's up?
What go on, my friend? What go on with you now?
I want to go with my daughter. I know me not see my daughter for she left say she had to work yesterday. I know me not see my daughter fall and I want to go on.
Eh, that a go on.
Yes. And right now I am worried.
No, you don't have to worry yourself. Your daughter in a good condition. And you don't have to worry about no shampoo. Your daughter get a nice job. I give her a nice, make she get a nice job. She work money for she work money for buy the medication for you. Your daughter hard working, you know, so maybe she do double. A good girl, you know.
But we don't get no call.
And your eye go bad. Your eye supposed to gone far already.
We don't get no call.
That's
Follow
why
that.
you here come.
Me a call her, I'm not even get her. I don't know what go on. I don't know what is going on. I need to know what is going on in my heartbeat.
I'm in the village, you know. I'll swing by you and check you, and then I'll swing by the workplace and see if she's all right.
All right.
Yes, I know I'll look out for you, because you can't look out for yourself right now.
Can't look out.
Okay.
All right. You can hang up your phone now. Yeah. She not there. So you have to. Well, next time when she come, me make she knows that your little friend come check her and you can. You understand? All right. So thanks. I hear. Thanks. And watch you follow them. Then pick.
Yeah.
Just with my daughter. All right. That's all.
Hello? Bliney? Hello? My friend? Oh, go on, my friend, Bliney.
Hey, father.
A joke, man.
Yo, I've been doing that, man.
Oh, God. When you start blind, place will get bad. If you're blind, worse what will happen?
Place not get bad. My daughter so go clean up. Place not get bad. You mean so what you say I go on now, car?
Your daughter, me I go check for your daughter. She good. Me know say she good and she in a good hands. Me get her a nice work, good proper work. And she a make money to buy her medication if you be glad.
I waited for that. Come here, hear your mouth, you know.
See me, I may not touch me on my chest, you know.
Touch your hand there.
See me hand here.
Oh. So you for that.
Cause when you blind man, when you start blind, when you feel, you know want to feel everything you know want to feel. And me and your friend member. So I pass the place through your blind. Half a blind.
So you say my daughter, alright.
Your daughter win a good hands.
A good hand.
How she make nice money, nice proper money,
You know
full
more
money.
than you
And she a work hard. You know so she a hard work already. How much time you have to tell you?
Mom, you know, man, I go alright. You know,
So what you eat?
Right. I ain't nothing here, but I make some tea for me. I want a piece of bread right there. So,
Lord,
I don't
God
want to go
bless
like the
you.
stove because you see a board house and I don't want to burn down. You hear? I don't want to burn down.
You're not fully blind yet, you know. When people fully blind, they start eat crackers and drink mint tea. And dip, you go start dipping in a cup now.
If I
Well, me not no crackers.
If I not see a most blind, I not see a thing.
So you go to toilet from morning?
No, I go that. I will go to the party. The party alright.
Me help you tidy up in your house, but me not help you clean the bathroom.
I just want to make some tea for
No,
me.
you know blind people scatter shit everywhere.
Contact with my daughter. You can sit on some water and get some tea, then I beg you.
Yes.
Alright, that's all.
Where bathroom? See, they make a wash me and I make it tea for you here.
Alright.
I put me back right here. No searchy.
I'm a thief, Fallon. You know that. I'm not a thief. And through me blind, you want to do me so.
Yeah, look money if you buy medication, you know. Look, if me a good Samaritan. What kind of tea you want? Aki leaf? A bush tea if you drink. Should I just measure 1 cup of water for you? So how you say you not eat? And pot the pan stove in here. You must stove in the top use a 5 burner me have you now. Anyways. What I must put in there then? A vinegar alone, me see you saying. Oh, you want garlic, you good. You like right now, and you need antibiotic. You need antibiotic. That will help you. What you want in the tea? Sugar or salt? The pan your brown and must hit. Same height for him, sugar. Truly same way. Lord. You can't go in my bag. This is water hot now, you know. I'm not wait till it boil, you know. I'm not wait till I see no bubble, you know. Fanny hot is good for you, though. Look here, man. Look how something burn my nails. Blind, you know, no money if you make my bag fix back my fingernail, you know. Hey, Blindy. Where birthday?
But supposed to out as up on the barrel. Just
Think you all want to eat. When you sick people, visitor come in your yard and help you with things you have, like your food stuff.
I can't believe that she and her father get fly. I go tell mommy.
Man, what you do with all of your money
all of
when
me
you
say,
work?
Fallon, just cool up, Fallon. I hear you properly, you know, man.
You should make hay while the sun shine. You should have.
I don't like how you do me in a mistake. God know.
Come like you people them are foreign. Well, but Carol said, you spend your money up abroad. I know you're coming now, you're living like that. You know what?
How where you come from, Fallon? You come from Billy to me, Fallon.
I'm
feel bad.
encouraging you, it's never too
No.
late.
You need me to course.
Mr. Two Crackers, you know.
Fallon, me kind of a man, I don't get nothing community, you know, Fallon. I am who's so.
Why are you in your bag? And creep. No business. I'm not coming for work for myself. You not pay me, you know. I don't feel like I'm coming for work every time.
If I could have seen how the Fallon in my kitchen. I trust her fully.
You ready for tea?
Fallon ready long time. Fallon ready long time. You look at tea. I make God step me up.
Wait there. You know, so me have to use my mobile.
How will I use making tea?
One big peg of garlic is antibiotics. It will help you. Come.
Hey,
What, you want me to put it down or hold it?
Just give me the cup.
See it here. Man, hold it. Come now. Jesus.
Yes,
Hey man, I take me don't know me should have give you a plastic cup, you know. Me a come, hush.
Pray about that, you know, Fallon. Pray about that, man.
You're lucky you know your crutches.
Yo, we can't manage it, you know,
Hush,
Fallon.
man. Turn up one place, I'm in a job 3 window, you know. Me should have called help there, see. If me never come over here, this never would have happened. This worse than I'm going to use people toilet and bong and it's
Oh, give me the tea, I'll go away, man. Give me the
me
tea.
put in a plastic cup. You now come back here, so when time I come back, you fully blind and the worse is going to happen.
Put the tip on
Me
the
not come
gun.
here for me no maid, you know.
Put the tip on the gun.
Next thing me come up, me a change
Put the tip on the
diaper.
gun. We don't trust you. Put the tip on the gun. You don't be afraid again. Just go look for me daughter.
Are you trying to make them get your pull-ups, cause me not even care which part.
Put the tip on the gun. Put the tip. Where the tip there? Put the tip on the gun. When I want you to give me the
Look here, relax. If fire burn off my fingernail, you know.
No, this.
Look, my fingernail burn off clean.
I see this. I cut this.
Look at me can't come out and something. Stay over there, so man. Me a look for him, man.
Go on, fella. Leave him out.
See crackers here.
Leave him out. Give me my crackers. Give me my crackers. Fella, you're out of move.
As you walk in. Take it down.
Mommy,
Yeah?
you know say Shayna father blind
Well, yeah, sir, you know that.
because me did go around the 50.
You know, here, me say, no, come out of here, little girl. Me not tired to tell you, so when you come out of here, you must make me know.
Yeah.
Alright, next time, let me know when you go out of here. That's anything wrong, me can know where you're there. You hear?
Yeah.
You sure same blind?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You know, say that one man a take care of his daughter. What she not gonna do without you? But you know, maybe me can help you know. Maybe me can help.
Somebody say here.
Fella, how are you, fella?
The doctor work for my medicine. You hear? I mean there with you. Work with me. Me I get something for wipe up, yes, you hear?
Fella, leave it alone. My daughter come clean. I don't want you to clean nothing for me.
So you want me to let you there, so you don't come there, so?
Me
No, me
alright.
never come here, come see you there, so me not left you, so?
Me alright, come on.
Me I help you. Alright, then.
Better. What? That living better than you. Why, fella? So you do me have a make a bar, I spend the money by your drinks all the while. And you go on.
If you never tell me tip your bartender, you would do tip her.
Go on, fella.
I'm going to people in a problem, they want people to help them and sorry for them. When you're the high horse, you never body there with the high horse, you never business with nobody.
Fella.
I mean, know why you used to go out with your lucky, so me there with you.
Go on, fella. I beg you, please. I come like I want to hold.
Wait there.
You don't hold of me sugar in one cup of tea.
Make me go for you something to wipe up the floor for you. Me not left you so.
No, you're going like
Come.
a good somebody, you?
Eat, man. Go and eat. You hear? Go and eat, me say. You wash me and come.
Go on, Mr. Fella, go on.
You stay long with you. And cook and eat with you. And drink with you.
You don't come out of me, you don't treat me good. No, treat me good.
Yeah. They're going to treat you very well till your daughter come. You hear? Oi!
Fella, now what?
So somebody a call you.
Fella.
Yeah. A cup did a shoe boy and you know me set it properly. The biscuit done?
Yes, you don't.
Get up now, come go up on the bed.
Me alright.
Come.
Leave it on the ground.
Me not leaving her like this.
Me
Come, me don't want the teacher and burn up you.
Fella, me alright. It's still to it.
Coffee your sex life mash up already.
Brother!
I want this a blind man for excitement for now.
What? Man, I'm one for that. Kill me off.
I want to look at crackers. I me say if I think I want some over.
Two crackers.
I will box and beat if you throw now. You see, there's a Philip, the little done a dumb animal as seen. Are you dumb already?
People, they blind. I look at the video. Hey, no. I told my yo. I think man over. Yo. Why you Falla?
Alright.
Why you Falla?
Wait till your daughter come. She
Move.
take care of you. You hear?
Move, Falla. Move. Move out of my face.
You see you? Just like people left me out. You see, I don't know one of my blind man. You always in one room by yourself with bed, shit up and everything. One doorway.
Where?
Back door phone no go.
What that? You a guy?
You got it.
Falla, come out of your house, man.
You know? See a phone here.
Put up a phone now, just leave
Me
everything.
make you want a phone because
Just
you
leave everything and go on, man. Beg you. You don't get no help. Just let me daughter come.
What you on?
Me alright.
Later, you hear? Call look for you.
Go on.
Next time you pass, I'm going to make some of go check your daughter. Alright, I'll come check you. Come back on the bed, then and put you back on the bed.
Me alright. God go with your father. God
Me
go
put
with
back the cup them in your son.
God go with you. Can't see
You can't see if you put them and you broke the one here.
I better make you go out. You should have done better tea for it. I come like she was 24 and she got a one look with that tea. And she did about half 5 crackers. Because only 4 will get to that bag if I too much.
One hand step on your face.
You're still there, man. Move now. Somebody take him on. Rip. Rip.
Later, you hear? See your phone right that's why I fell at the pillar. Alright. I'm going to dash the antibiotics for you. Do you jump in door?
What I'm following, I beg your pardon.
You did well want me to stay, I know you want to try to get rid of me.
And I go, you change.
Best friend to the end, like Chucky.
Wait. Oh, I want that so. This will look right. Oi! Wake up! What you not gonna do? Sleep! Where you get the 5-star hotel? You think a 5-star hotel there? Come on, get up. You have something. You have to figure. Oh. See one of them there? One of them wash by the time you come off fire here. Me tell you that. See you later. You should have drink tea already. You should have get up and do everything. Drink tea. And prepare yourself. I said I teach you at home. You get up when you start work. You don't know tell them nothing. Wipe up the house. Up to you, man. Nothing there. Don't make it ignorant, you know. Don't play with the thing, you know. Oi, and your man live with now. I tell you that. So you must do your duty. Your father will tell you. Do your duty when you live with a man. A man tell you to tell you to do nothing. Look at him there. Go in your bathroom wash his clothes. Tell him up. And now when you come out for your road and you wash your father in here. Good. Take this thing from her.
Can't bother with them and sing me, I know. You see, as in come back, me and go ask him for money for buy my father medication, you know. Because with all of them, I dirty clothes, you know, me not stay, and they do them and say, I just show me one things for better for my father, you know. As in come, me and ask him for every dollar for buy my father medication. And that's the only reason why I'm going to watch them. Watch me and him.
Can't take the problem here, you know. Probably one chop bad does. No understand. Yeah.
Oh, this a call, man. I'm going to take a phone call, man. Oh, Fallon, what go on?
Chop lad, you tell me what go on now.
Everything good, you know. I know everything good.
I'm going with my friend here and I say I'm not seeing daughter from when.
She good, man. She just me, man. She says she don't want to go back home. You know, she want to spend a little time like oh. You know what thing go. So she says sleep over.
Anyways, me I come check you. Me I come check you to see what go on.
No, man. She good, man.
Me I can't reason the same way like come here reason on the phone about this. You can't reason face to face. Don't talk truth.
Alright.
Wow.
Alright. Then like you could have tricked me. I know say man girl. You could have said no me girl. I hope you up there treat her good, you know. Could up there big girl a dead fi hungry. I hope you know me spend all of them money upon her, you know. And she better make sure so she make the ass go through to get me tell her. And things we go easy that time. Go check him.
Give me no bad for you. I will get 50 gone. So like you gone.
Oh, so no foolish for not coming. I know your style, you know. Yo, I don't know what. I'm going to go away for that. I know you never see it, you know.
Backside. This money can more than pay for my father medication. You know what? I'm going to teeth out it. My father always tell me, say, don't thief. Don't put it down probably when I go thief, he gonna give me more when I ask him for it. My father, me not so good. I should have taken him. Me not take him, I do what my father say, me not take him. Better me just go and go for it.
Yeah. You don't sound like you wash.
Yeah, wash me not cheap out of home slow.
No, man, you sound like you do nothing, man.
Me a do it. Oi, me can't
I said, what the fuck? Come here.
Me a there.
Come on, man.
Stop up.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about something.
Slow, you not give me no bad.
I want to talk to you about something.
You want to tell us something too?
What you want to tell me? You have nothing to tell me?
Yeah, you see my father? Father kind of sick at the moment and my father medication very, very expensive. I didn't want to ask if I can give me some money so I could have paid for medication them. Because I don't want to lose my father. My father eyesight, he dey go. He not really gone good, but he dey go and come.
Go and come.
Yeah. I don't want this time when he go, he not come back.
You know, you going to give money, you know.
Yeah.
But you want you do for me.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to come by.
Yes.
But me not want you to tell us me I cheated. No way.
But
They on your best behavior. Tell us you get good treatment and everything there. All you need for a man, probably when he gone, we get something for him.
so me cannot make she carry something come give me.
No, man, no. Listen up. Me and you go up on the road, go get something. You don't want something fancy for him.
Yeah,
But you ain't that good. You don't worry about me not have to tell for that. Just do what you have to do. Everything alright.
And you give me money for my father after.
Yeah, I'm going to take care of you, man. I'm going to take care of your father, make sure your father alright and come around.
Alright.
You good with that? Alright, go on, go wash clothes now. Move now.
Oh God. True. You know, say, I come here for still if you can buy my father medication. But I'm not only that alone. I did the hope in that time, say, two of me could have just have a little band and like each other. But he not deal with me good. He dey deal with me if he be too rough. I don't like that type of style, yeah. Can't manage them style. This is not for my lifestyle. But just because I want the money for my father medication, that's why I endure a little bit longer, you know. As in, give me money something, I just go about my business.
Shayna. You know, fish wash your clothes, mate. So long you take for wash 2 pieces of clothes. Go on, mate. Tell her.
Hello, chaplain.
Hold. Oi! Come here.
This a go on.
Mom.
What moms?
Oi. Yeah, man, look at myself, man. Like, yeah, smile, huh?
Like your moms a live good though.
Yeah, tell them, man.
Everything
Everything alright.
You give her money? You give her enough money already?
Stop your fool.
You give money?
You must have to give her money.
He said, go give me money for
Anyways, your father worry about you. And you shouldn't have her pet so long.
Me tell her she feel
He
comfortable.
might take care of me, so
So she don't want me
tell my father say me soon come and say
You get room and you want hall.
I don't really like how you're thinking of Alan.
You don't want to get to come back?
Remember say me woman. So, she alright.
Your father is blinding in.
But me have to get the medication so my father can get to take them.
So you're not going to check on him?
Me have to
Get
get.
you check on him now?
Yeah, she go check.
He will bring me when he will bring me.
Alright.
Tell my father say now if he worry himself that much, me okay, and when, as soon as me reach to him, me come with the medication money or the medication.
Okay. I tell him I was going to check on you, you know.
Just tell my father say me alright.
Alright, I will carry the messages on that.
Yeah.
So come give me a power talk to now.
When
She
me
good,
come
man.
on a yard, when
She
me come
alright,
on
man.
a
She
yard,
good,
me
man.
and we talk.
Everything good, you know?
Alright, I will bring the messages on that.
Yeah, man. Pick up myself, yeah.
Make sure you deal with that right.
Yeah, man, I'm so deal with it too.
If you do nothing with you, make sure you send you money.
Alright, me say.
Samsung man, she have to give her Delilah. Later, me make sure we carry the news and money on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Okay, drop. Okay, drop. One second. Get up. Wash your clothes. Come on, I take 2 pieces of clothes. That don't already fall and even reach her. So go on, wash your clothes and I'll come back.
I just tell
Oh, tell her I say what? Yeah, idiot. Go on, wash your sitting them. Oh, that's a go sit down till you done, yeah, man. I think I play a thing this. Man, give you one little play, sit down like you feel comfortable. No, you don't do that, man. I fall and go and she don't move. That's if she don't tell her to move. I'm here, man.
Yeah. That's what God. Thank you, Father, for the blessing that you give me. If you can help others. Right. Did that about 25 minutes ago. That's good, like to wash your face. If you don't have no eyesight I go. That's a good one to wash your eye. Every morning you get up, you drink 2 spoons of this. Help you clear up sore throat. This one, good this leafy. It would if you not move. Yes man, that one. Good one.
My brother.
Oh sis, long time no see. What take you to them a place hurt you now, man?
Help me, I need fire for me. My friend father.
Your friend father. So what to your friend father?
Blind.
Him blind.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, no, see, you deal with the bush. You're a good bush doctor.
Yes, and sister come like I just said, you know, cause you know, so this man, me wake up, it's like me feel the vibes. Come like when you know, I wake up this morning, you know, and mind tell me say go and boil some medicine in the kitchen, you know. So eventually, you know, me come out and come over bush. Come boil the medicine inside in the kitchen, you know, so me there go on. So I will tell you me over here.
You know, say always your way, man.
Yeah, man, me there see me up on the good old work, you know. Go and boil up the bush, them to take care of eyesight, take care of any belly problem.
You know, say I best night.
Yes, so a long time in blind her since recently.
Since recently,
Cause sometime, you know,
me.
just naturally blind her, somebody blind him.
I don't know.
Alright. You see, when they naturally blind them, me can't help them, you know, but somebody set them and blind them, you know. Me can't help them to that, you know, but if they naturally blind, me can't help, you know. Kind of good hands, you know. Alright. Boil up, you know.
You know, you help.
Yes, man, me will help. So, sis, I get the medicine strain off and then me give you one shot. Can you see medicine when me go give you?
Yeah.
In medicine here right now, if you drink 1 teaspoon a morning time and if you use 1 for washing your face for 9 mornings straight. And after 9 mornings straight, me think you will be able to can't see again. As long as I know somebody blind him, he just natural blind. Can be, you know, sometimes pressure and all of that, you know, so eventually. But me can't help him, sis. Sis, me not go buy that strain off the one they come have the one that make for win. So the one that cure. You understand me I say? And guess what? The one that, as you say, I recently blind and I don't really know nobody blind him, it does natural cause. So you are the one that's strong. So in 2 to 3 day time, this a strong one, we better up in high. You hear? Alright,
Alright,
so
me
give him that one there. I'm not going to really charge him for that one because you want to see because you sister.
Thank you,
Alright,
brother.
take care, sis.
Alright.
Chappie,
Yo,
I finished wash now. Can I go buy something now so we can eat?
yo, go and go cook, man. I buy some groceries, go cook.
Oh, if you go cook,
No, monsieur, oi. What me say? Me go and buy some grocery and make you cook that last longer than house.
Me just wash one whole heap of dirty
So out to buy
clothes
one fast
and
food and buy
tired.
one. Oh, no reason for this matter, man.
Sorry.
Out to buy one fast food and buy grocery, which one better? You buy some grocery, man, and cook, man. That no better, man. Go and cook, man.
Me head a hurt me a long time. Me did a wash cause you don't have no pan and the water snow. I'm tired. I'm hungry now. I want something to eat. Me not have the strength to go cook no food and...
See, I'm like when you have the strength to wash, you can cook. I want to you, man. You're a woman, you know. Woman make you do everything when man say you do.
But you know if you deal with me so like say me not please you. Everything when you say you do, me do. Me can't cook no food now. I'm tired and I'm hungry. Me go drop down.
See, you want something on the road then?
Yes, I want something
Alright
on the
then.
road to eat.
So you know, see, you have like a pity pie, you know. Because you go out with things, you know. Alright, come on. Don't get too excited, you know. What? Shayna.
Yeah?
So, hey, bed, brother. Come on, put up your bed, man. I want to see you, man.
Can you rush me out of bed and me get up go wash same time, huh?
You can't go down road and put up your bed. I want to see you, man. You have to do that. So, both anything I'm here on the road. Yes, you have to come back in.
Me I just sleep on the bed and you have one like sleep.
What you just say?
Me nothing.
Come here.
Eh,
Come here, let me tell you this.
Wait.
Yo,
Yeah.
my place in here.
Yeah.
Anything me say,
Remember,
go. Come to your man, come lick. Hey.
No.
Go, come and say no, man.
Alright.
Me tell you this, man. You see, in my place, me know where you mumble.
Me not mumble again. Me not do it.
Me tell you that. You see, every time you hear you mumble again, me gonna slap out the teeth them.
Yeah.
You tell you that. Go on, man. Go on, man. Go on. That alone and go on, man.
Cha. Auntie, what go on, morning? Morning, cold. Oh, that scratch splash water there. Morning, hot.
You see my wallet?
No, me not see your wallet.
On the view by house. I go up your house, go look and come back here.
Alright.
Ah.
Thank you. Oh, no stomach water no way. Yes, man, this is say man that we make me get fix up myself. You just rush me so. If you get the money, me go and check for my father. And if you get the money, me gone. I'll take care of my
Yes, what go on? Why are you, sir?
father.
There, man, how things?
Everything alright.
Why? Remember a little thing I'm here to talk about around the yard?
We talk about that one next time.
Oh, God, man.
Can't talk about that
no.
now.
My sister not there right now. Me can't talk for a time, man. How do you, man?
And some of me are
So
going.
you rush me, sir?
I don't really rush me. No, you can't. Put on.
How?
You keep
How
in
fuck
your
you? How fuck you?
Look here, too much question one
Yo.
time. When you come
So
out,
you move, sir? You move, sir?
you can't stay. Just go on now, me
My
reach
sister
to
not
you.
there, party.
No,
You want me to
lean
say no?
up, Jesus. Lean up, 5 people them care. You're not even
No,
know
me
who
not like
fuck
how
you
you go on, you know.
Lean up, 5 people them care. You're not even know who fuck you. You see me
So
stand
you
up
behave,
and me
sir?
lean.
Yeah, me care, man. No, they got someone and go on where you gonna, man. Don't touch me, man, brother. One team, man. Look where you brought. Look for you.
Brother,
Yo,
Shayna,
see this girl?
I am on this.
This beautiful girl, that's my girl now. So you can go on where you go, brother. See your bro.
Shayna, I am on this.
Yo, look at my chain.
Little
Go on.
Shayna. See how one big old
No,
man
money,
this.
brother. Come in, yo. Come in. Go look at work, you. I'll tell you, brother. You see me house? Wish for living at that. That me I tell you. Go and go find the size, man.
Shayna,
What
what
money,
you say?
brother?
A big man you want.
Brother, go on where you going, man.
So no
Be
little young
control.
girl stay no.
Control, I know.
As you know see one man a drive
Brother.
one car.
You know, see
Run
now,
young
brother.
man.
You know, no use, no style.
Everything good man. Remember see I grow, me I grow you know. Thing good man. Yo, God no. So Shayna move you out. Shayna need to look inside and look one big man. Thing good still. Thing good man, man. I like her still, but me feel say she ain't kinda one nice girl, you know. But you come like you all of them girl, I gonna be the same, you know. You know. Nah, make them girls stress out my brain, you know. I'm a young boy.
You look for?
I pack up my phone in my pocket.
Oh.
Why every time you rush me?
Oh, everything. I know, see, I must be a man, you know, man.
Things that we did not go grow for like one another.
Yo, nobody the whole for complain. No. Just tell me what you want and done.
Food, me want 2 food for me and my father. 1 for me and 1 for my father. Can't go for me.
So your father live with me? No, man, you're mad, man. Your father live with me?
No,
No, answer me good. Me say if your father
No,
live
no,
with we.
no.
The man you alone live.
yes. We not even live good.
You don't even ask me say, you can't buy one food for my father. That's about that. You say, and for your father. You know, so you have to deal with things here.
Yeah.
But you ask me say, you can't buy one food for my father. I would appreciate it.
buy
We never
one
ask me that say, me not buy none. Me not buy none. Me not buy none. You never ask. You don't say, and your father. You don't even say me. As a matter of fact, me not make you and your father come name down my pocket.
You promise say you go and give me money for my father medication.
Yes, me tell you, you gonna get it.
2 party.
But 2 party and 2 drinks. That no good. Where say that no good for you and for him? You don't want it?
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah.
Good. You're going like you and your father want done man money, you know. Where take this thing for? Anything me say, goes. You know, if you go on like you want to do it, me tell you already.
Yeah, yeah.
But mom, hey, no one for me, you know. Yeah, so. Yeah, a man's Spears Street. And them sell the best party in the city. They sell cake too and they sell bread. Understand?
Yes.
Come on.
Alright.
Can I put you on?
One, 2 patty, 2 cheese patty, 1 for me and 1 for my father.
Alright, boy, 2 cheese patty, 1 chicken one. I want to pretty some there with the red and white.
Great
Yeah,
patty.
yeah, more. 1 minute me, I'm gonna juice one.
One, 2 Coca-Cola, 1 for me, 1 for my father.
Alright, 4 Coke. Alright, how much that?
Alright, so I'll probably think
You can repeat it?
yeah. So 2 cheese, 1
Yeah.
chicken, greater pig,
Minute
minute
maid.
maid and 2 pork, right?
Coke.
So that's 1900.
1900?
Yeah.
And every father that wants one water.
No, man. One.
Cover the umbrella. Watch out. Come back to see my father. I not itch out here saying because my father not see me for last
One
night.
on forward, man. One on forward.
Alright.
Yo, that's what I want with you.
Yeah. Father must have something to eat. The medication.
Hope she don't go over there go stay long enough. I'm not on the itching thing, you know.
Daddy! Daddy! My father not answer. Daddy!
Hey!
Daddy,
My
reach.
daughter, hey!
Daddy, what you doing? You see now, Daddy?
No, you love me.
Daddy, you not see it. Daddy, me carry something for you.
Daughter, you worried, you know?
Yo, Daddy, listen.
You
I
worried.
work me get, so you not have to
You
worry.
worried, boy, you will night, the way you don't come, you just sleep and wake up this morning. And I try to call the phone and I'm not get your phone, you don't know
Daddy,
what going on.
listen. Me tell her before me leave, me say, if you not see me come in early, I work. If you not see me come none at all, Daddy, overtime me I do. The people them say me hard working.
You could have called me.
Daddy, me can't party for you. You don't worry yourself. Daddy, we have good news for you, you know. You see your medication them
Yeah.
start out.
Yeah.
Yes, Daddy, you're not going to shot. You're not going to shot a medication again.
Let me get one of them because
Yeah.
it's up this body, you
You
know.
eat something?
It's coconut and tea.
You see that one here, Daddy? You see this?
We can't see it, baby.
Oh, me
Yes,
forgot.
we can't see it.
Sure. But it then up at pharmacy, they say we must make you eat 2 1 time.
2 1 time.
2 1 time. Every day, Daddy.
Every day.
Yes, this
I
go work for you.
Just one of them.
So eat one first. Eat that first, Daddy. Choppy.
You sure? I don't
Yeah.
eat it. I don't
No,
eat it.
Daddy. You see, I gummy bear, the vitamins, them I want you, and it good for your eyesight.
And the eye go be here.
Yes, Daddy. We have more things in our bag for you. But me can't, you can't see if it see them.
Mm.
And me have something in your stuff here. It's good at too sweet. See? You can't see, but me I see it for your greater cake. Daddy, I've ready now, miggle. You feel it, Daddy?
I feel it. Put on the one.
Daddy, me put it on for you, now I make hands
Yes,
take
the one
it.
I got money.
Yes, Daddy. So how things go on with you last night, like how me never there here.
God. I was worried till I fall asleep, but to God be the glory, you're here and well.
Well, my father, you see work when me get, where your friend get, give me.
Yes.
To that girl, man. Look how long she gone over there and talk to her father. What she over there talking? I can't nothing sensible. I have me out just a wait and come check for me. And say me okay and me alright. Me go over there for you because she thinks she a play thing this, you know.
Remember say a bank teller work me did want and I really bank teller work she give me, Daddy, but me I go and manage because I feel sick. You understand, Daddy? Daddy, me sweat pan that they work there, you see, Daddy? But me no mind still because see there, me end up going pharmacy and me can carry something for you.
Yeah,
I would have.
Yeah.
Would have been that.
we do so long, man. Forward now.
But how are you going?
Come on,
Daddy,
man.
me have
Forward,
to
man.
go back at work.
Come on now.
Yeah,
Come on.
Daddy, me soon come. Daddy,
Oi, put your hands up and come now.
Hey, you want to talk to me,
Come,
Dad?
driver, they hurry if you go, Daddy.
Come to you, man. The man alright, man. I want to you, man. The man good,
Daddy,
man.
yeah.
Hey!
Just tell your father about me, no, drive, no drive.
Tell me, father.
I want you. Oi, come on, man. One.
Come
Me I come tell your father about me a drive. I want you. Not easy.
I saw you drive and them going over there. I must see you a chat. I must charter. She charter I drive, you know. Because there's no way a man supposed to. Jesus. Let me keep. Supposed to rush a customer. A customer, so. Man. Drive on your face, see. I just want to get back beside so I can buy a car again. Because if I saw them drive by a stable, I don't want to travel on a vehicle. Not at all.
Sorry, man.
How make you feel push me so?
Yo, what kind of style, man? What if you tell your father to me taxi, man? And me carry you? You have to do that? Never do that again, yeah? And don't talk with me at all. You're bright, man. You pass the place now. What you talk about? Eh? What if you tell your father about me? I'm to you. You see, next time you say that, you know, I'm like, where you get to. Don't wait to see, yo, this is going to be a warning to you. Don't make that happen again.
So why you...
Tell him, see me a man. What you talk about?
You want to give me father pressure?
Oi, what you talk about? Which pressure? Your father is a strong man.
Your father nasty, well, let me tell you.
Your father alright, cause me buy him food, me buy him pill, say he can alright. And you look by your father and tell him, say me, Choppy, a taxi man, and me carry you come here.
Oh, yeah,
See you, you're wicked.
So where you go left me? Me want to stay here.
Go back and go sleep.
You can't carry me, come on, find
Go back and go sleep, me say them.
No, me don't want to sleep.
Go back and go on the bed.
No, stay here, me come on, find road and you want to go left me and you could have stayed around and me father.
Go back and sleep, me say I'm here,
I
man.
don't want to sleep.
Go up on the bed. I'm going to sleep, me soon come.
Me not stay here by myself and me could have stayed around and me father a while ago.
Let me just say a while
Me
ago.
a come out there. Me a come. You're not going to let me in here today. But here, me father, me want to come out there.
How about you, man?
Let me on. Me a come out there tonight. Me not. Alright.
Yo, you're alright, you know.
Me go lock you out of your own place then.
Let me have a key, you can't go out there.
What is my father friend get me in? I know. Why left me in your stuff with them? I could have never run my father. You see, he head big and he mouth big. I don't think them the big for him, so I can go and load up his mouth for me. I want cramping style feel me in here, watch me and in my ear. And tell him say I want to sleep. Yeah, I'm bad sometimes.
Mr. Tax. Mr. Tax. Mr. Tax.
Who that?
I'm Miss Sita.
Sita far away.
All right, Talia. Your friend.
Ah, Sita, my friend. I remember the name, you know, but a long time I don't see the Sita. Are the Sita when live out so?
Yes.
Maybe a little boy and a girl.
Yes.
Are you?
Yes, sir.
So Sita, what bring you here now? That more I know, cause as somebody tell us I'm blind, oh yeah, sorry for me, I pity you want to have me now.
No, I'm a little daughter and come play with the daughter and tell me, say, just secure the eyes. So, me have one brother where you're herbal. And me go check him and he give me something for better your eye. He say, within 2 or 3 days, your eye will better. You have to wash your face with it.
It's a can better me eye?
Yes.
Are you tell you?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. My brother are the best herbal doctor.
Alright. This sound like a miracle. I mean, I pray for a miracle. And it come like it come true. I can try it out.
You wash it in the morning and in the evening.
Alright.
2 to 3 days, you will gain back your sight.
No problem. I can try it out. And thank you for concerning about me, alright?
Yes.
Yeah, man. I just thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, Miss Sita. Yeah, you know, I kind of tired, so I go back to sleep.
Alright.
Alright, but
Remember you wash your face
yeah, man, I
morning and
remember it,
evening.
man.
Alright.
Put it
Come
right
back to
here.
sleep. Alright.
Pull
Me
up,
gone now, you hear?
Pull out the door there for me, because I don't know if my daughter come back. And I don't want to, I don't know. Just pull up the door for me when I leave, alright?
Alright.
Alright, my sweetheart boy. News travel fast. The whole White Island was blind now. God, God. What's that? That look good.
Oh, you know there yard? Every
You
night
said me and my yard enough friend already, you know.
every night
Yeah,
you feel like you want to catch up as with me. I want you in the bed. What in your bed? What in your bed?
Yeah.
Me believe. Me believe I want everybody believe nothing else for yourself. Believe that one day.
I took up a rubber gun there, hi.
Girl! Where you in? 2 cup of rum. Me a drink from morning. I run 1 bottle me gone.
So you have me have a yard problem and you have a drinking problem.
And that's one thing problem too. Me addicted. I know me addicted to rum and rum addicted to me.
Great, that's look nice. Oh, nice female there. Bartender look nice. Right, just some here park. We park good. Right, people can pass.
Girl, you see carriage just drive up.
Now that.
I want to customer them. He have money, girl. You say no?
But you don't look so to me.
Girl, I demand them when I have but look mash up at them have money here. You feel smart. If you don't look the choppy. I'm not going.
Hello.
Hello, good.
I'm going.
What's up?
Good.
Me couldn't tell when me see you.
Yeah, man.
I want them why them look like octopus tentacle?
It is natural, but me a try like you know.
You don't fit you.
Really? So if I go pull them out,
Right.
pull them out for me now.
Ooh.
Give me special entrepreneurs.
I want you drink again.
Energy drinks are sitting there.
Which one is energy
Brandy.
drink? Which one is energy drink then?
The black bag is sitting, man. I'm to you, man. Just give me, you know.
So I said, I want to
Just give me the thing, no, man.
You don't understand me. Alright, sorry.
Oh, shit.
I'm a cool, he's my best friend.
Your best friend?
Yeah. Awa.
Nice.
Like you whispering business.
Spend for now. Spend for
I'm to you,
now.
man. I know my style, everything.
Yeah,
Anything.
my
Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
What's up?
What's your name?
Jada.
Chappy. You come from around there?
No, I really come far around here, but you because of she look for live for Instagram.
So where you live? Where you live?
Okay.
Uptown?
Yeah, I come around for a
Weekend. So that means we can have every weekend then. Show you some place and get to know you better. But like somebody remind me of me when I smile like mirror. Amazing.
Full of lyrics too.
So, you have a girlfriend?
Not really.
Not really.
So I go and look around and I'm like a
You
skin
sure not
color.
like you tell?
No man, black man I tell lie, man, I tell her what I want. I tell lie. My skin color look nice. Smooth. They look nice though.
I'll chup so good.
Hey, give her a drink now.
I like your bear.
Tell them I like it. You like your skin is smooth. Chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like chocolate. Nice like you, you know.
So, you never tell me you have a girlfriend?
Single.
Wow.
You single?
Single.
I
Ask
like
my
her
friend,
telling
if she
you
know
I'm-
about me, ask her.
You sure like
Single.
She know the conversation.
So yes sir,
True,
can
me
I have it for
trust
myself.
man.
But you don't trust man, they can't trust me.
So what you say no?
Yeah, I'm gonna like to take you out, bring you up on a nice date, you know?
Mm.
Get to know you better.
But
So where
listen to me now, no.
for?
Me not like a drama, you know. Me not like a
Yes,
drama.
yes,
the
there's
mix
no-
up
there's
things.
no
So
drama,
if you have
everything
a woman,
alright.
you now go work. Me I tell you plain.
Me tell you, you have an ex, me not done, but she a try getting back to me. I better tell her say that now go work, and she a try get it, so I have to push her out. You understand what I mean?
Mm.
So there's no job. You good with that?
So, who call it only if you or she?
Huh?
Who caused it for no left? Which one?
She man, she give me bun. Me not like that.
You sure you not give she?
No, me not give bun. Black man don't cheat. So, I'm me cheat.
Why you tell me about black man don't cheat? Why you tell me?
Me don't need to cheat. Cause me have me money. Me don't need to cheat. And she go out of the way.
I only have the money go to her but cheat.
Relax,
But
man.
anything
Me not talk about
that.
that. So what I gonna know? Yes, sir. Your life, you can have a drive out.
Drive up over here.
Me show you my house and everything. Yes, sir. Come on, man.
Me don't care about your house.
See, you look nice.
Hold on. Pause. Wait, me not understand how I go on there, so wait. So, you just meet a girl you carry your yard?
Come, me like her. Come here, man.
Carry her on a date with me in the yard?
Exactly, like...
Yo, stop fighting to tell man. No, listen, man. We gon' get a thing. Yes, we gon' get a thing. Come here, man.
Okay, can't move. Why you move so fast?
She push it up like something.
No, sir, if you move so fast, you move like a whore.
Come on, let me go get a thing.
So, what's up now?
Yeah, man. What if I know one thing, you know? So, ready?
Alright, girl, we link up, yeah?
We link.
Alright.
Hey. Come here. If you are going to do, you use protection.
The witch do, you know, me can already very nice.
Girl, you have a friend that have the for you.
See,
Me don't know if I
you
worry.
say your name, what?
Hey girl, me don't know. You can't support that party.
Me not trust
Me
you,
only
no,
know.
cause me can't see.
Yes, you ready? Come on, man.
Yeah, me have come. Alright, we link up, yeah?
Text
Pick up
me.
yourself, yeah. You check your man.
Alright.
Yes, nice, no.
Yeah, man. We can. If you not go in there, she in there. But guess what, man? Young, she asleep. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, main one. You done that side on here.
You go back to your sleep.
I'm told me run now. She not go. Go on inside. Oh, wake up.
Champions.
Wake up, man. Oi.
Not on sleep.
Go get a seat tonight, yeah?
How are this?
Gone.
What sleep and ground tonight? Yeah, how are this? You can't come in our house and tell me
Remember
about
what
sleep
is-
and
So
ground.
this is what me say, no, man. Oi. Me tell her already, don't talk with me at talk.
Sure.
My house is. So don't be a talk in my house.
At why we in here now? So me go and talk. You can't be run to my father's house if I say you go deal with me. Me no want to stay here no more. Me not
Oi. Oi, remember. Go.
So when you do that first, she said she want to grow in her father. She said,
No, I don't have nice. Talk me nice.
excuse you?
Talk me nice. I'm to you. Come on, Dennis.
She be no.
No.
I'm to you. Go on over there so I sit down too.
Man, you push up
Go on over
on
there so I
me.
sit down.
Push up on me.
What do you think, pa?
When him,
Oi, go on over so I sit down.
when him push you, don't drop on me. Because you don't know me in here, the end door, you come put your weight on me. When him
Man
push you,
say,
don't
hey,
drop.
so
You're not
nice.
coming here, come
Oi, this is my place. Me no want no nice, not my place. No, nothing.
live like
You,
you're
on the ground, you on the bed.
Father,
You
let
must
me
have
me
more
sleep
people
on ground yet.
indoor and they must stop me here.
Go on
Just
now,
say-
go on now, girl, go on now. 'Cause you
Oi,
don't
go on the bed.
Stop
Now you
not
must-
push her palm.
Oi.
You don't push her palm in here.
Oi,
Push her
go by this.
palm.
Go by this. You on the bed.
You don't push her palm, you're already in here.
Go on up on the bed, no man. Oi, go by this. Come.
I'm my first friend that's funny. I'm going to tell my father friend so you're not free.
Oi, come to you, man. Them by now.
You want grown.
Remember my bargain and tell me so.
Yeah.
Come on. Tap your nice.
Me ready for go.
Oh, me say you do.
No, we not go sleep in here in a
I'm
peace
gonna blame
tonight.
you.
No.
Good.
I want to move like you're Solomon.
Good. Tap your nice. Oi, I'm down. Okay now.
So what kind of style is? Me not understand you.
Tell her already, man, she's my ex. Me I talk to her, if I talk to her rough, because she get me ignorant at times, you know?
I ex,
And
but
don't
she
wanna
said
go.
she want gosh her father and you stop
Relax,
her,
man.
so me not
Okay,
understand
man.
there something.
Okay,
Listen to
man.
me,
Yo.
me not somebody to play with, you know.
You go on that shit when I don't talk. Don't you, man? Can't talk business. Don't you?
Me not like getting something here and me
Relax,
come
man.
home.
Relax, man. Look nice, man. Your skin feels soft, the cotton. Yeah, man. Don't worry about them girls, they just offer the money. You see me? You a real G and me a real G. I'm telling you, man, everything go on, man.
But me not like them or something, me, you
She
know.
like to say, man, just come on.
When you
Come
say
on,
your
man.
ex, you know, me just
Oh.
make you come out.
No, man, she good, man. She alright, man. The camera there for the night. Boy, turn off the light. Turn off the light.